Hello, everyone. Are you ready to sing with me? Let's learn the days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. These are the days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. These are the days of the week. Let's sing it one more time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the days of the week. Great job, everyone. Goodbye.